Here's how to extend an image with AI for free. I'll show you how to make your image wider or taller by extending the background. All right, let's get started. I'm in Fotor's free AI image extender. I am logged in. I'm going to click here and upload an image. And now I'm going to scroll down, and my options are two things. One is the original ratio. So it's going to keep the exact same ratio as this original, and I can make it much smaller or much bigger. Custom ratio gives us the sizes that are popular for social media. And as you click through these, you'll see that this background behind her, it's kind of hard to see, but it's this gray checkerboard background that shows you what your canvas size is that changes to what your final result is going to be. I'm going to click on 4:3. We can take this as it is, and it's going to make up some stuff here and make up some stuff here based on the other pixels in the photo and what it thinks is going on. It's going to try to make up something that it thinks makes sense. Sometimes it goes left and does something weird. Just try again if you get that result. This seems to be a pretty straightforward picture. It shouldn't be too hard. If you make her a very small part of the picture and it has to make up a whole bunch of stuff, that increases your chances of hallucination because AI doesn't know what was going on this day or where this is. It's just making stuff up. So if I do this here, it's going to make up some stuff here and make up some stuff here. I can also move her to one side or the other, and then it'll have to make up all of this or all of this. We can also make her smaller. So it would have to make up all of this, and you'd probably get something pretty crazy with that. We're not going to do that. That's not usually what you want to do when you bring this in here anyways. I like this photo kind of as it is, but I'm just going to put her, I think that's kind of a nice place for like a picture that you're going to hang on a wall. And also it's something that you could have enough room if you wanted to do something editorial and have some words here maybe for a flyer or something. I'm happy with my placement, and I'm going to click on expand. It always asks you to verify that if you are human. I'm going to go ahead and do that. If we wanted to do some more editing in here, we can. Just keep in mind that it does use credit. So if you have a free account, keep an eye on those. From here, we can just download it. And again, there's no watermark.